guys, Three Baker's Rainbow Club. Guys, do you know what we're making? Snuggle! You can see right here. You can see one don't have whiskers. No, I don't do. This is the one me and Mom made. And this is my only one. I'm terrible at this one. I'm gonna make my own the doggy kind. So, back. I'm gonna do the ears. So I ready.
Do you not want to tell them what they need? Oh no, wait, they don't. They've got. What extra do they need? They need hot glue.
Glue.
They need some hot glue, and they need the parents to help them with the hot glue.
Yeah.
They need a pair of scissors and some Pritt and a black permanent marker.
Black permanent marker. So permanent. So I'm gonna cut it. Sure. I got that so satisfying.
And you can make ears however you like. Big ears, small ears, okay? Round ears, pointy ears.
Yeah. I made it, yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna make the next ear. Now, now I'm gonna do
So you can't do the ears first.
No.
You have to do that last. So what are you going to do? What do you do? With the permanent marker, you're going to draw on your kitty or your doggy face.
Yes.
So what are you drawing?
A dog.
Yeah, and what are you drawing?
Eyes. But I'm closing them eyes.
That's fine.
And how?
You can draw them however you want. And a little triangle, upside down triangle for a nose. Which you can color in.
And how do a doggy nose look?
Like that. And then the round, the two little hooks. Yeah. Okay.
It's like
That's
a
it.
cat.
You want to show it? It's very much like a cat. Okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna close this up.
And then what about the lid?
You're gonna decorate the lid.
So
So I need half of this.
measure it around there. It should fit.
Wait. It's wrong. Then I'm gonna wrap it like
Are you
a
gonna-
wrapping present.
Are you going to wrap it around?
So I need
So you're
some
going to
glue.
put glue. Yes. Do you think that that's thick enough, or do you want a thicker one?
Yeah, thicker one.
One that fits the size. That
Yes.
fits the size.
But maybe
Oh, this one's better. Okay. Let's get on with our video. This should stick.
there we go.
So I think maybe if you've got liquid glue, maybe use liquid glue as opposed to Frit. Yeah, I'm gonna change it to the liquid glue, babe.
I have black, so Daddy will know I have liquid.
Okay. Yeah, I think rather
Daddy's gonna take this.
use the liquid glue, and you'll need your mum and dad to help you with that if you have a big one like this. That will work better. There we go.
Thanks, Mom.
This one works better, babe.
Thanks for the liquid glue. Yeah.
They should warn people. So if you can, just ask your mum and dad to help you just cut that extra bit
No!
off. No, wait, I'm going to show you so it doesn't fold over and then it'll look pretty. Hold on. Just wait. Because you're going to put this on the flat and this will stop it from being flat. If you don't cut the extra off. But we will, for the kits, we'll make sure that they fit. Okay, here we go. This is going to be like that. Okay, I will leave you. Okay, quickly.
Next.
Lid on the glue.
Little blue banana.
Okay, so then, what's next?
Then the most
The water.
water pan.
So you're going to need a jug of water.
Jug of water. Don't put too much.
How far much do I put in? Okay, stop. That's too much. Stop. No. No more. Or else you're not going to have it. You need a little space for it to be able to
You
shake.
put it onto blue.
Onto blue.
Blue.
Okay.
Blue, fine.
So, can I tell them what's going to be in the kit?
No.
No.
I will tell them at the end.
Okay. All these little things will be in their kit. Well, they'll have gotten the kit for them to watch the video, I suppose. Okay. Hey. Then, do you want a different color?
Moving it around.
You don't need to, because you're going to put the lid on. Hey. Now, you want a
Next.
different color?
Yes.
How about green and some white?
What? Green and white.
Green? What color do you want? Yellow, green, white?
White. Thank you. That sounds like Sweetie Blue. Little Munchkin. Being a little Munchkin today. Ugh. There. I'll put this on and make it tight. Guys, make it tight. Mommy, I kind of messed up the glue under there.
Oh, because you'll need to let it dry a bit, eh? Oh, so yeah, you'll have to let that dry. But did you close it?
Yes. Close it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
It's fine? It's
I'm
fine.
gonna color head.
You're going to cut
Okay.
his. Okay, there we go.
Here's my puppy dog, Blue. Hey guys. Now for the rest. The ear. Mommy. I want to make something, Mom.
What?
Like an Alice friend.
You can do whatever you want with the extra. And I think you'll have to use the glue, the running glue.
I got something else. No, this is not right. This is not the right glue. This is.
I would say either use hot glue or the runny glue for this, and ask your parents to help you. So,
No, Mom.
not yet. It's not going to stick. The pit is not going to stick on that. So you need to use hot glue or the runny glue, but the runny glue you'll need to let dry, and the hot glue will dry quickly. The pit's not going to stick. What is this for? The ears. Okay, let's put one blob.
But I want to put the glue back on.
You want to put this back on. Same with the whiskers. You need to use hot glue. So you need help. You want to stick it down before it gets too cold. You stick it down where you want to put it. Where's your other ear?
Down.
And I'll put, which side do I put the glue on?
This.
That side. Okay. There. You do it. There we go. Looking super funky. Huh? And then we're missing the whiskers.
Whisk.
Whiskers? Where's your pumpkins?
I'm gonna cut these pumpkins. Toodle.
So you can have what? 2 whiskers, you can put 3 whiskers. You can make some short, some small, big. Lots. Okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to put a blob on this side. No, put a blob there, and then you put all your whiskers on. Just careful, it's hot. Okay. Yeah, put it in, it'll hold. You can put your other whisker on. and it's hot and sticky. Oh, and springs. That's still dry. So I'm going to suggest that you just use hot glue all around. Okay.
And guys, don't forget. No, we got one more thing to
What?
do.
No, nice, do whatever. You can put any extra.
No, one more stuff.
One more stuff.
Squeeze the tail.
Alright, do you want to put a tail in? Absolutely, you can put a tail on. Dogs, so does cat. So do kitties have tails? Do kitties not have tails?
You can do.
But do they have a split tail? Or are you going to twirl it so that it's one tail?
Yes, I'm gonna twirl it. So first. No.
And then you can twist them so that you can. Okay. With the tail. Where are we putting the tail? Tell me. At the back here?
Yes. No.
Let's see. Okay.
But I need.
So when it's dry, you'll be able, which will be cut quickly, you'll be able to move your pipe cleaner into a position that you want it. And then we're done.
I am finished. Doggy Snuggler. Bye guys. Like and subscribe to Rebecca and Rainbow. And like and subscribe to Mom and Dad's Club and everyone else.
Where are you going? High five.